Hello Geotrek owners, this is Matt McGee, the Customer Success Manager at Geotrek. Today we're going to cover the DEF and how to add it when you get the warning symbol. Okay, so your light's on. What is DEF? DEF is diesel exhaust fluid. It's injected into your exhaust system as your exhaust is going out, and it converts the bad stuff, nitrous oxide, to nitrogen in water. It came into play in 2010 when the EPA made it a standard for all diesel vehicles. So the symbol is going to be on your center dash here, and it'll say refill additive. It does not say DEF. And what you'll see is a symbol that's like wind blowing, essentially your exhaust coming out, and it'll show drops of water and then lines on it. Now that the DEF light has come on, don't ignore it. If you choose to ignore the DEF warning, over time, as the DEF solution gets lower and lower, it's going to warn you more and more. Eventually, it's going to get to a point where it says you have 10 more starts, 9 more starts, 8 more starts. Essentially, if you let it go all the way down to 0, your van's not moving until you top off the DEF. The first thing you got to do is release the trunk release, which is this black bar here, pull down. You'll hear a click, which is releasing the hood. There is a tab here you have to push up on to open the hood. And what we'll do is take this bar and put it into this hole to hold the hood open. For where the DEF goes, it does not go in your fuel tank. It has its own compartment, and it's right here with a big blue button with DEF clearly marked on it. There's 2 different ways to get the DEF fluid that you're going to need to add. One is you can buy it at any place that sells diesel in this box that's a 2.5 gallon box that has a funnel as part of it. The other way is if you go to a truck stop, right next to the diesel pump, they have pumps that have DEF fuel where you can put it right into here and pump it, and it will auto shut off when you're full. A little pro tip, when you get your first warning light for adding additive, that means that your DEF tank is at 60%. And when you go buy a 2.5 gallon bucket, it will be an exact match to top you off. Thanks for watching the DEF instruction video. Certainly this and many other resources are in the owner's resource video section where you can ensure that you get the most out of your camper van.